In today's video, I will walk you through how to log out of Discord. Want to get most out of this tutorial? Sign up using the link in the description below, and let's jump right in. First, open Discord on your computer. You can use the desktop app or open Discord in your web browser. Once Discord is open, look at the bottom left corner of the window. You'll see your profile picture, username, and a gear icon. Click the gear icon to open user settings. Inside user settings, you'll see a sidebar with different account and app options. Scroll down to the bottom of the sidebar until you find Logout. Click Logout, and Discord will ask you to confirm the action. Click Logout again to confirm. Discord will immediately sign you out and return you to the login screen. If you're using the desktop app, Discord will remain open, but your account will no longer be signed in. If you're using a browser, you'll be returned to the Discord login page. Keep in mind that logging out only signs you out of the current app or browser session. If you're signed into Discord on another device, that session will remain active. Also, if you're currently in a voice call or streaming, logging out will disconnect you from those sessions. That's it. Open Discord, go to User Settings, scroll to the bottom, click Log Out, and confirm. And that's how to log out of Discord. Click the link on the description below. Thank you for watching the video.